TTD is trending across investor communities after a powerful combination of insider buying, partnership speculation, and heavy short interest spark renewed bullish sentiment around the ad tech platform. The momentum was ignited by a massive $148 million insider purchase by CEO Jeff Green, one of the largest insider buys ever recorded in the company's history. Jeff Green's $148 million purchase of TTD shares has been widely interpreted as a bold vote of confidence in the company's long term outlook. Insider buying at this scale is rare, particularly for a sitting CEO, and traders often see it as one of the strongest bullish signals possible because executives typically have the deepest insight into future business prospects. The move comes after a period of volatility and a sharp sell off that left the stock deeply oversold, making the purchase even more notable. Many investors believe the CEO may be signaling that the market has significantly undervalued the company's future growth potential, especially in the rapidly evolving digital advertising landscape. Across trading forums and social media platforms, people have been highlighting that executives rarely deploy personal capital at this magnitude unless they see a substantial upside ahead. At the same time, speculation has been spreading about potential discussions between the company and OpenAI regarding the integration of advertising capabilities into emerging AI platforms. While no official partnership has been confirmed, traders are theorizing that the company's advanced programmatic advertising infrastructure could eventually be used to manage or power ad sales within AI driven ecosystems, including conversational platforms and AI powered search experiences. If such a partnership were to materialize, it could represent a major new growth vector for the company, opening access to a rapidly expanding AI user base and potentially creating entirely new advertising formats tailored to generative AI interactions. This possibility has led many investors to speculate that the company could position itself as a central infrastructure layer for AI driven advertising, much like it has done for connected TV and programmatic digital ads. You can read more in the description box below. So this news came out in the post-market session of yesterday, the 4th. So this is Thursday the 5th. Okay, so in that session as well, as a matter of fact, people were actually expecting some of these things to happen. You can see here, people. This is its March 20 option series. Okay, their position, you can see a standout open interest at $30 strike, and also at the same time as well, even a bigger open interest on the put side. So it could be because the fact that this is calls, this is puts, they can use either side lean to lean bullish. They can use either side to lean bullish. So when you sell puts, you're bullish. Okay, when you sell calls, you're bearish. So something is going on there. It could surely some hedging or something like that is going on there on the $30 and on the 27.5. Something is going on there. But in any case, market makers are not worried. They're not worried as such. The delta on these stocks, they're not. As you can see on the $30 strike is 17 0.17, so tiny, quite tiny. Here it's also not so much as well, because contracts are for every contract you have for every option contract is 100 shares. So this is 100. This tells you that this will be 100 multiplied by 0.17. That tells you how many shares market makers will be buying. So not a lot, not a lot. Down at the April 17 calls, April 17 series as well, we have there's something going on there as well. They're also anticipating something might come up on the $40 level. So we have the $30 is still there, still prominent. Yeah, so the unique thing there is that $30 is a standout target, still standing out. Here we have $25 as well. Yeah, some hedging is going on there, and clearly $40, but not. I would say mostly on the bullish side because we can see here not very much hedging has gone on there, and indeed also on the $35 as well. So a lot of a decent amount of option activity is going on in the very short term. Is indeed going on. I can see 15 million shares is the average. So that is an indication that market makers are they surely have a hand in what goes on in the stocks activity. Yeah. So in any case, yeah, let's see now what we have. The stock is correcting as of the close of yesterday. Yesterday, the fourth, the stock was actually correcting within a longer term bearish trend. It's 200-day moving average, which underscores its underlying trend is sloping bearishly lower. And it initiated, as if the algos knew, initiated before then. It was a downward projection, 32.24, and it printed it. It has dropped below that, but it's still reiterating it as an upper projection, still reiterating it as an upper projection, 32.19. So this aligns with what we have been seeing we saw on the option series. $30 is re-emphasized on the March 20 and on the April 17th. So it is a sticking point. It is a sticking upper projection, not far from where it is right now. So right now it is at 28.33. This is the pre-market session of Thursday the 5th of March. Let's see what we have in the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart is reflecting what's going on right now. And yes, it's saying that we may see higher prices all the way towards Monday the 9th. We have the highs of around even $30. Yeah, yeah, that's it. That's it. We'll have $30 coming up again, but easily if there's a chance it may surpass that by the time the market opens. Let's have a look and see if whether it has already it may have already printed $30 already. Yeah, okay, 29 it hasn't gone there yet. It hasn't printed $30 yet, so it just keeps on coming up. But at the same time, note that we have a downward projection here of 22.67. So it may well do that. That may well happen. If it happens, then we are looking at a good buying opportunity. So let's see what the market grid is going to tell us in terms of the range of possible prices. So we are seeing plus $30 keeps on coming up, keeps on coming up, keeps on coming up. Yeah, let's see. It's trading at a premium to its moving averages to all the prices here. So this is still fresh. This is still fresh. Yeah, we have $31, the 40 period moving average. $31. Yeah, so that's an upper resistance. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's see what we have on the 1 hour chart. Yeah, let's see what we have. Between 29.28 and 26.08. For some reason, it hasn't. We don't have $30 on this 4 hour chart. So yes, it is something. It's interesting, fascinating, really fascinating that the CEO has gone on to commit $148 million of his own resources into the stock, and then the prospects of this partnership with OpenAI. So it's just, this is a stock to watch. So let's see how all of this will go, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.